Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you the top 8 mods you need to try for ARK Survival this month. Number 1. B+ Spawn Editor. It lets you have full control over creature spawns on any map. It adds and removes dinos without config files, and it's perfect for custom servers or solo tweaks. Number 2. RR Floating Platforms. With this mod you can build bases in the sky or over water. This includes greenhouse domes, healing platforms, and more. This is great for creative base designs. Number 3. Resource Gatherers. This mod includes automated resource production. It has multiple tiers with scaling efficiency and reduces grind significantly. Number 4. Auto Metal Farmer. This mod adds a placeable Ankylosaurus that farms metal passively. It's an early unlock, so it's got a simple setup, and it's great for base automation and steady metal income. Number 5. Awesome ARK Tools. This is a powerful admin and quality of life toolkit. It spawns items and dinos instantly with UI. It includes teleporting, tracking, and server tools. This is essential for server owners. Number 6. Bulk Storage. This is an early game dedicated storage plus wireless crafting method. It has auto sorting and inventory transfer systems. This is also a huge quality of life improvement for base management. Number 7. Immersive Food Mod. This is one of my favorites, and it adds tons of new recipes with meaningful buffs. It rebalances food progression and it encourages preparation and survival strategy. And number 8. JBH Landscaping. This mod adds a massive selection of decorative plants, rocks, and terrain items, and it turns your base into a detailed, natural environment. This is ideal for builders and aesthetic-focused players. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.